Today we have picked up a topic, that is Google NotebookLM, which is quite interesting and cool, very, very useful. And it is available for free to start with. And it does a very good job. Regarding how we can integrate AI with Koha, we have done one exercise where you can classify and catalog books, and then you can import them into your Koha. So that video is available. If you want, we can share in the chat. Otherwise, we can do this lecture on NotebookLM. It is quite interesting, and you can do n number of things with it. In fact, many people are doing many things. However, they are not sharing it, what all it can be done. Okay. So if you want, I can, you can see the video, and if you have any doubt, Vivek, so we can discuss some other day. So now, as you know that, these large language models, they are very good in, answering your whatever query it is, because they are trained on a very large language or very large text. In fact, whatever is available to these companies, which is they can digitally grab, and they push those content to these large language models, those machines. And these machines, basically cut this whatever content it is there into bits and chunks of characters. They call it tokens. And what beautiful thing this large language model do. I hope you understand what when I speak large language models. This means all your Chat GPT or your Google Gemini or your Grok or Cloud or Perplexity. All these are large language models. So I was saying that they will be breaking up whatever text there is put to them, and they will be putting into small bits. These are known as tokens. And when you put a query, that query itself is then broken up into small pieces, and then these pieces are joined with what is present in the LLM. Okay, whatever the training data is available or the training test is available. So those pieces are in fact joined in a very, very wonderful manner to make sense. So what happens is that these large language models are very, very good if the information is available public. And you know that public information is both authentic as well as this n number of or huge amount of information which is available digitally, which may not be so authentic. Okay, you know that so many literature is available that may not be very, very authentic. Social media posts or whatever it is. Now, Google thought of something different, which was the idea was to help the researchers. Now, what these researchers do during their literature discovery and review process, they in fact collect large amount of articles which are relevant to their research topic, and these articles or this information is available most of the time in PDF or some text, or even it could be in the form of audio, video, or pictures. So various media could be there, but these could be relevant to particular research topic and the researchers collect them. Now, next stage comes that how they can, analyze that huge amount of information which they have collected. Of course, whatever they have collected is, they feel that this is good for their work. So, to analyze this, all those things, uh, Google produced a wonderful tool known as NotebookLM. Okay, so once you make your collection, and in that sense that you simply upload all your content, be it PDF files, your pictures, your audio or video, YouTube videos, any content you may upload, and it will go there and it will become a notebook, and then you can query. Now the beauty is that whatever query you put, the answer would be only and only from the collection which you have uploaded. Nothing less, nothing more. So whatever you query, so in this manner, you are very sure that whatever output is coming, it is not, it is fully trusted because you have uploaded the trusted content. So whatever comes would be trusted, and so there is very, very little, or in fact, negligible chance that there could be any hallucination. So what I will do is that I will open this Google Notebook LM and try to upload some files. Then we will see what all things we can do. For that, I will be starting with a new account so that you understand what all about it means. I have created a Gmail account, and from there I will be using uh, notebooklm. The URL you might be knowing, it is notebooklm.google. So let me share my screen. Okay, this one. I hope, no, I think this should be there. Let me share another one. Let me share which one. Okay, this is the one. So you see, if you can see, I have, simply opened up this notebooklm.google. If you put com.com, it is okay, otherwise fine. So you can visit, you will get something like that. So once log in for the first time, means you just you open up your Google account, put it over there, and then you open this notebook LM. So you will have such thing like that. Your data is protected, and whatever data you upload, it says that it is protected. So unless you provide the feedback, if you don't provide the feedback, that data is protected. Then you share feedback to us, then okay. So this is sort of, you will say, it says that keep me up to date about notebook LM. So we don't click, simply say okay. So now immediately what you will get, that you can upload files. Okay. Now what I will do is that, let us say uh, we have large number of files. Say every week I create a weekly digest, and those weekly digests are created from all the messages which are posted weekly in our AI community, AI4LIB community. So I usually store all these files in a Word file. Each message I store, and then I keep it there. I have told you earlier also that all the messages I put every day I save them into some Word file and keep it there. That file I use to create weekly digest. Okay, so I don't rewrite uh, the messages. Only I pick up this. So now what I will do. So you can see that. First of all, let me show you. This is a you say you create a new notebook notebook. It will appear something like this. Okay. Now I will start uploading my collection. So I do not have much of research, PDF files. So what I will do is that I will upload files. Now let me tell you, if you don't have files, you can, search the internet. Okay, you can search the internet and you can put a query. You can search the web so that you get the news sources. Uh, what I will do first, I will create, from the files. Then we will come over here again and tell you how you can search from the web. Why I'm not doing the searching from the web, that we have to then decide. It will show you the various resources from the web. Then what you will have to analyze each and every source, whether it is authentic or whether it is something unauthentic. Uh, Whatever you decide, it will be stored over there. So let me show the first way, that you have n number of files and we are going to upload these files. The only thing is that this my okay. So what I do, no, please give a hands up if you are seeing whatever I'm showing. No, I am not getting. I think somebody. I am not hearing if someone is trying to say something, or it is just a by mistake the mic is on. So anyway, should I begin? Just give me some indication, like a thumbs up, something like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is a new notebook I have opened. So the first way I will be doing, I will be uploading some files. So as I have told you, I have all these weekly files containing all my WhatsApp messages. So I will be uploading these files. So I store these files somewhere um, over here in some folder, and I have all these weekly messages. Okay, since I am a trained librarian, so I even give this file a names in a systematic manner. So what I will do is that I will upload all these files. What are these files? These are daily messages. Okay, each file have for one particular week all the messages. So likewise, you may be having any type of content. Say you have all your research articles over there. You simply upload in you upload them and as a collection. So I have uploaded about so many files. Maybe how many files are there? So 26 files I have uploaded. So basically, this is about 6 months. Exactly 6 months. All messages posted in AI4LIB. This thing you can have n number of uh, resources, and then I can even add some videos. You can add all such things. Upload file, upload websites, or a YouTube video, or you have something on drive, you can upload, or you can simply have copy paste. You can simply copy text from somewhere and say copy paste, then it will give you something to put. You can paste over here, so your content will be uploaded. So now it will give a summary of all these. It has analyzed all these files, and it is doing something for two files. It is doing some work. Okay. Now you can start asking questions like, let us ask a few questions. Any question you want to ask to this collection? Someone? You can, speak. You can, unmute yourself, and then you can speak, and then you can mute.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. Regarding how to detect a fabricated citation, sir.
Okay. Let us see. Fabricated citation.
Yes, sir.
See, if I have ever talked about uh, this fabricated citation in my last, 6 months, any message I have put, you got my point. This is a collection which I have created. I have uploaded files. So let me ask a question, okay, to my question. Okay, give me uh, how to detect fabricated citations. Oh, uh, yeah, I was trying to. Anyway, let us see.
Sir, what is this green tick marks and into marks, sir?
No, I think this is what you are
It
putting.
happened somehow. I don't know. I was just trying to tap on my screen and it's just showing me all this.
I think this is all you are giving some thumbs up. So it is coming over here, but not in something. It is has something to do with Zoom. Nothing to do with that. I agree. Fabricated.
Might
Right.
be some technical glitch, sir, but your screen must be clean.
No, no. My screen is also showing some ticks and green ticks.
Okay, sir.
So see, I have put a question. Okay, and okay, now a answer has come. Detecting fabricated citation, often referred as AI hallucination, is an increasing critical skill for researchers and librarians, as those generated references can appear highly credible. Means they can be from that. Okay, now these ticks are going on. Oh, okay, highly credible, featuring plausible titles, real author names, and existing journal title while referring to non-existent works. So it has said that the fabricated citation. See, all these ticks have gone. The fabricated citations are basically AI hallucinations. They appear to be highly, true, but they are not. This is what. So now it has given a functional verification workflow. How to do the workflow. So if you suspect a citation is fabricated, you should follow the systematic checklist, verify identifiers, search social repository, cross-check journal archives, confirm author publication record, and so forth. Okay. So you see, in my last 6 months, if I have ever touched this topic, it will be included. Now, let us see from where these are coming. You see, some numbers are over here. Verify UR. So this has come from the weekly digest post, which was there for the second week of January 2026. See, this was the message. Common scenario include journal article attributed real researcher but missing from all dataset books or papers do not appear in the world. So I had given some message somewhere, so it has synthesized from all the messages. Now, what is this fifth one? This was again from that particular weekly digest. And what is the sixth one? It is again from that January 2nd week. So what is this eighth one? This is for, it has come from a message which I posted in December 2nd week. So this is how I have named the file. So this was the actual message. Libraries are already feeling the impact. The Library of Virginia reported roughly 15% of the reference question it receives originate from AI-generated queries. So all those things. So dedicated tools and all those things. So you got the point. I have uploaded all the messages for my last 6 months, which I have posted in AI. And then I asked a random question, which was actually suggested by one of you. And it has extracted all the bits and pieces related to my prompt and provided a wonderful, answer. And now you see how easily you have done it. Within in a few minutes, you have uploaded your whole 6 months of content, and then in a few seconds, it has answered your query, and then it has also. So all these are not hallucinated, but you will know from where it is saying. If it is saying, it is just like your literature review. It is writing something, then it is giving sort of a citation from where it is coming. Okay, this is the, I think the March last week, this thing message, it has picked up this. Okay, disclosure standard 21 and all those things are coming. So I think you appreciate the power of this thing, notebook LLM. Now consider all these as your, if all these were your PDF files of your, say you have collected 200 references, about 150 could be full text articles as a PDF. You have uploaded them, and then let us say you have a wonderful 3 or 4 your YouTube video. You have simply put up their links, and this is what you have got. And all these sources you had are authentic because you have decided, you have put up, and whatever question you will be putting will be coming from here. So this is the beauty of this Google Notebook LM. So is it good or something?
Very good, sir. So very good.
Very good tool, sir.
Now we will
Yes,
come
sir.
next.
Very good. Sir, one question.
Yes.
Yeah, sir, one question. Is it limited to uploading only the PDF, or can we upload Word document and Excel and it can
No,
analyze them?
you can see yourself. I have uploaded the Word file. These are all Word files. Let me show you one
Okay,
of the
okay.
files.
Got it, sir.
Let me show you one of the files so you will appreciate how it has come up. But we can upload PDF, we can upload even copy paste the text, or we can even, put some links or some books, whatever digital format we can have, we can put up. Okay. Let
Sir,
me show one of
sir,
such files. Let us see, just a hold on. Let us
sir,
see our latest weekly digest messages, last week messages. This is the file, one of the file I have put up. So this was all you will know that these were the messages. Okay, what is happening?
sir, except Excel file, it accepts all
Even
the other files.
all, it will also accept Excel files.
No, sir, it only accepts CSV files.
Oh, yes, but it is
Okay,
as good.
CSV is fine, I think. Yeah.
It is as good as Excel file. Only thing is, this is
Right,
from
sir.
Google, na? This is from Google. Sometimes it won't
Correct.
accept this Microsoft file. So these were all the messages I had put for this week, and this is how I have created the file. On the 13th of April, I had put up this thing, AI research tool. You can see, you might have seen such references. I mean, such messages.
Right.
And I normally at the end of the week, I put such all these messages, copy paste into a Word file, and I just archive it, And all these files are also available to you. You can go to the description of your this AI4LIB group, and you will find that there is a link to this Google Drive, where a lot of material is there, and perhaps most of you are not aware, but it's all is there. So I upload. You can even download from here, and you can make your own experiment or research, whatever you can do. So this is how, and you can put other file also. I will show you in the next thing when you don't have the files, but you will be searching from the internet. Okay. So this now,
Sir, one more question can I ask?
yes, sir. Please do ask a number of questions.
Okay, sir. One question. So this question is, can we specify the length of the output, whether like half page or a more detailed one or a very short
Yes,
summary?
yes, in the prompt himself. So let us see. This only give me 5 bullet points. Okay.
Right.
Give me top 5 points as bullet points. Let us see what it does. So it is like whatever you speak, whatever you talk, whatever you prompt. So it should give that way. So I am having top, So it will have given you 5. It should have given you 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 topmost, this thing. So that, okay, got it.
Yes, sir, got it. And I hope it can
okay. We will. What we will do? We will now save this answer as as note. Okay. I will show you this thing. This part is very much important. The studio part over here, the right hand side. This is very, very important. Okay. This is one. So I will save this as a note. Then I will do something else. So here, this answer has been saved as a note. Okay. If you don't save, then it may be, lost. Got it?
Got it, sir. Nice.
So for this collection, say you have n number of files. There's a limitation when you are having a paid version or versus when you have the free version. But in the free version, you can upload up to 50 files. Okay. Got it?
Okay. Yes.
But
yes.
say tomorrow, if these are 200 files, okay. So now what I can do is that in one file, I can join 2 or 3 files. I can do it monthly wise. For 1 month, I can put all the content. So, I can bypass the limitation also if it is a free account. So, okay. Now, let us see the other beauty. Now, there is called, if we want to know, what is this audio overview of all my collection, I will simply say, create a audio of this same view, and then we can select the language. Let us see, we will select the Hindi language. So what all my things are saying. Okay, let us see Hindi. Konkani, Nepali, Marathi. Let us see Hindi. So we will create a what is known as the podcast in Hindi. Okay, so it is working over here. So after 2 or 3 minutes, you will get something. Okay. So in the meantime, so it takes time. Normally, 3 to 4 minutes, depending upon. But there are other things I can show you. This is you can also create a video. Okay, let us create a video also. Okay, the video I will be creating in English. We will use such type of whiteboard. Let us see this. So it is started generating the video also, and you can also create a mind map. Okay. You can create flashcards, you can create quiz, you can create infographics. I will also create an infographic. So this is how we will use a concise or let us say standard infographic. Okay. Now, what is this? First we will see a mind map, how it has created mind. So this is mind. So this is how it shows that libraries and academia from 2025 to 26, the academic tools, the library operations, library role evolution. Let us see, break up this library role evolution. So here you get AI literacy, educator, ethnic stewards, prompt engineers, metadata supervisors, research studies. So this is all. Let us see if something we have over here. If we click over here, it will give you what all sort of roles it has. Okay, let us go back. So this was mind map. Okay. Let us see what it is. This is a note we have already got. This is note we have saved. Okay. And
तुम एक वो डब्बा मिठाई मतलब जिसमें प्रसाद वगैरह तो वो वहीं छोड़े भैया के पास ही हाँ मैं जो स्टोरी भी लगी थी हाँ मतलब उतना हाँ वही मेरा मतलब डब्बा से मेरा वही
भाई कुछ मिठाई हमें भी भेज देना. So this is what we got. So let us see the mind map again. So the institutional policies, the mandatory AI. So you got it, the whole subject for last 6 months, whatever we had talked, we can analyze it properly. All those things are coming over here. Research, workflow. Okay, see this is it. And then it will here, it will say, it will show you the files and all those things. Anyway, so this is one idea you can do. Now, let us see infographic. It has so it has created a wonderful infographic. The AI powered library, evolution of a profession, this to this, and there will be small watermark also that you can't do anything about it. But this
sir,
you can.
This image is created by this node.
Yes, it is created by. This is by note. I will show you other video.
Amazing, sir.
So then all these things have been created. What you can do, you can download it and put up in your PPT, one of your PPT slide. Okay, and then you can start putting up this thing. This is where you can create wonderful PPT also. So okay, got it. So next thing is that some things are audio and video overviews are being created. Okay. In the meantime, we have seen the infographic. You can create what is known as let us create a slide deck, okay, a PPT, okay, but the PPT we will be creating only for the question somebody asked now, I think he asked this question, and let us create a PPT out of that answer, the 5 point, this 5 bullet points. So what we had here, we had stated the note, okay, and we will say convert this source into convert this note as a source. So what will happen over here, a new source will be created. You can see over here. This, I think, I don't know whether you are seeing this thing or not. So for this, okay, this source, Okay, I will be creating a PPT. Let us say I have to present it in some this thing. So I create a slide deck. I am just selecting this. All are unselected. So this is a slide deck I have created. Okay, generate by default. So something is being generated. Let us see now what else. So all things, it is doing this type of work. I have shown you this infographics and this was mind map. Okay, other things are, it is creating. Let us wait. So isn't it a wonderful tool?
Sir, so it can create videos, audios, it can create the
I will show
PPT
you
all out of these documents.
all out of this collection. I will.
Wow.
It is. I will show you the real end product. Then only you will appreciate. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Now the audio is being created and video is being created and PPT slides are being created. Okay. So that's why this was not very much advertised this time. So it takes time. Sometimes it will take 10 minutes, sometimes it will take, but you can, close it. It will keep on doing its work. And whenever you come again, all these things will be done. When this stops, rotating, then it will have. Now I will show you something else. So in the meantime, what I will do is that I will open a new notebook. So, okay, these are some example notebooks which are already created by Google. So I will create a new notebook. Okay. And now you tell me a subject. I will, create a collection. Anyone? Anyone research topic?
Sir, disaster management, sir.
This if just check this spelling, disaster management. It is a very broad topic, but let us see. Management. Oh, disaster management. So what I am doing is, there are two ways I can do. I am searching the web. Either I can do a fast search, means the results would be very, very fast, or I can do the deep research. So you can do anything. Only thing, this will take a lot of time, but it will have more, sort of material. And this would be the fast one. Let us do this thing, the fast search. Okay. And what we are doing is we are creating another notebook. Okay. In free account, you can create up to 50 such notebooks. Okay. This is being created. So now what it has done, it has searched for all these resources. Now let us view these resources. One is the disaster management cycle, 5 keys, how leaders are introduced. So we will have this Sendai framework for disaster risk reduction. This we will have it. And emergency management definition, we will have it. Then national incident management system, FEMA, implementing. So all these are coming from the internet, and unfortunately there is no YouTube. Otherwise that will be also there, but we can always, so we select all this. Okay, then we import. What we do, we simply import. So 10 resources it will show, then you can keep on adding also. So these 10 resources we are having. So these will come up in the, so while these are being imported, so all this will be imported and you will have these answers over here. Now in the meantime, let us see our other our okay. This is the one we had created, intelligent library. Okay, this is being created. This is for the disaster management. This is the intelligent. Let us see if something it has done something. It is still doing. It is still doing all this. It is creating the slides. It is generating the audio. It is generating the video. Okay, let it do. We will come and let us see the disaster management thing. So it is, it is here. It has, I have this all these 10 resources. It has digested and it has given a very brief, summary of all these resources. And we can ask questions. If you have any question, we can. Let us say disaster management and something else. Libraries, okay.
Yes, sir. Library.
I don't think anyone dealing with the library, all this kind of, but still we will let us see. Let us see if some of the resource has it. If it doesn't have it, it will say there is no resource. Okay. Finding keywords. Okay. Consulting resources. So all the answers will be from these sources only. So it has shown something. Disaster management library falls under the protection of collecting institutions and cultural heritage, a priority specifically highlighted in the Sendai framework for disaster risk reduction. The sources, and it says the sources emphasize that these institutions require integrated measures to prevent social risk. So all these answers you can get, and if these are research articles and all those things, you can put query, it will give something. Okay. Let us go back and see if something has been created for the intelligent library. Okay. So let us first, if you can hear, I don't know whether you would be able to hear. If you are able to hear, you let me know.
कल्पना कीजिए कि एक बहुत ही शानदार रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश होता है.
Are you hearing?
Sir, we
Yes,
can
sir.
hear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can hear.
एकदम सटीक लगता है. तो ऐसा ही लगता है. बिल्कुल. लेकिन तभी पता चलता है कि उस पेपर के लेखक ने उन किताबों को कभी पढ़ा ही नहीं. और बात सिर्फ इतनी नहीं है कि उसने किताबें नहीं पढ़ी, बल्कि असल में उसने वो पेपर लिखा ही नहीं है. वाओ. और जो हवाले दिए गए हैं वो.
Sir, this is all automatically generated?
Yes, in your front only.
Wow.
अकादमिक दुनिया में आज लिटरली यही हो रहा है.
It's like a nice interview, sir.
Yes, sir. This tool also can be used for for preparation of interviews also.
Yeah, this is interview.
जो शब्द दस्तावेज में है.
So this is 21 minutes of audio. This is what is known as this, podcast. This is a podcast. Two people are speaking. See.
It automatically created a podcast with the two voices.
Yes.
Amazing.
See, it says all those things.
And even we can also intervene if we want to ask something.
Yes.
Also, yes, sir.
Okay, this is done. Let me show you the video.
Sir, could you once please show the intervention, that audio podcast, if you could please play it again?
Okay, we will do that. Let us.
Yes, sir.
So this is a video.
shaping, well, everything. Not just how libraries work, but what knowledge even means.
So
So
can
this
we
we had
choose the
created
voice,
in English.
sir? Can we choose the voices, sir?
Huh?
Voice, sir. Can we choose voice?
Yes, we can choose. No, like I have choose the Hindi. We have created into any languages, whatever were listed. So we had changed Hindi for the audio, and for this we had kept it for English. But there are n number of things we can do. Okay, now this is what you have got, and this was from all the sources. But one thing you had asked a question, okay, and for that, only for that, we had created a PPT. So this is that PPT. Okay. Now let us see this PPT.
Sir, one question on the audio.
Yes.
Is
We
there
will
why?
come to it.
Sure, sir.
We'll come to it. So,
Yeah, sure.
and you can download it as a PDF file, or you can download it as a PowerPoint file. Okay. So I will just show you. So this is one. Let us see this. So this is what you were. So it has shown you created a PPT. How to 4-layer verification architecture protect research integrity. So if you are speaking on this topic, you can simply create a PPT out of it. Of course, there will be watermark over here. Okay. So first layer, second layer, third layer, cross check how you can do the verification, and this is a matrix.
Sir, what are the files we uploaded? Based on these files, we can create objective questions, sir.
Yes. See over here, this is a topic also there. Quiz you can create. Okay, quiz. You know,
Yes, sir.
quiz also we can create. Now let us see this intervention. Okay, what was this?
भागीदार बन गया है हम जानकारी यानी इंफॉर्मेशन के रूप से निकलकर बुद्धिमत्ता के रूप में जा रहे हैं
और ये समझना इसलिए भी बहुत अहम है क्योंकि ज्ञान का स्वरूप बदल रहा है जब मशीनें हमारे लिए सोचने का समरी बनाने का और यहाँ तक कि लिखने का काम करने लगे तो हमें ये जानना ही होगा कि पर्दे के पीछे का तंत्र कैसे काम कर रहा है
एकदम सही
क्योंकि देखिए ज्ञान सिर्फ उसी के लिए मूल्यवान है जो उसे समझ सके और सही
We can,
कर सके
चलिए फिर इसे थोड़ा गहराई से समझते हैं
you can interrupt also.
पढ़ते हुए ना मेरे दिमाग में पुराने जमाने के कार्ड कैटलॉग की छवि आ रही
अच्छा वो लकड़ी वाले दराज
हाँ वही मतलब पहले हम लाइब्रेरी में जाकर दराज खींचते थे और एक किताब का नाम या लेखक का नाम
Sometimes, you know.
लेकिन आज का
Sir, there, just scroll below. Yes, sir, double click on that.
तो न केवल
No, I know, but see,
ग्राहकों को परप्लेक्सिटी क्यों मिल रहा है
it is not.
किया जा रहा है
Sir, it will come, sir. Sir,
This is
double
one.
click. Yes, sir, double click.
छात्रों छोटे कारोबारियों और उन रिसर्चर्स को
Or you can, sir, you can click on the arrow mark.
इनकी भारी सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं हो पाती
No, this is it will come here. Actually, I am not able to see the full screen. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
गोल्ड रश का नाम
गोल्ड रश
But you can, you know,
टेलीकॉम 505 बिलियन
anyway, that is available. You can ask question.
लालच असल में अपना कच्चा माल अपना
Something is happening.
ये तो एक तरह का डेटा उपनिवेशवाद लग रहा है
आपके लिए नहीं दे रही
But if you are having it somewhere, I am not able to see it a full screen also. You can have it. You can download or. Okay. Can add a note. But anyway, I think this feature perhaps is not coming up. But you can simply, interrupt it and you can ask a question. Then it will. These people, those who are speaking, they will respond to you. So you have created this video. You have created audio, and if you want to create now again, what you do, you go over here, and this is what for a video. You can select. Somebody asked now. So what sort of languages we can do? We can have. So we can create the length also, and you can also give a prompt over here. Okay. No, this is for the sorry. This is for the for the deck. But there also you can select languages. In video overview also you can select the language over here. Okay, I have selected English, which is by default. Okay, and for audio also you can select this thing, language, and you can generate. You can even have this debate also. You can create as a debate. The two people are debating. This is a critique. This is a brief. Okay. So this is how this tool is wonderful, and it is more useful anyway for everyone who is creating content. But when you have n number of files, research papers, then you can extract all sort of things from there, and then it can help you in research. And all this content can be downloaded. So flashcards, mind maps, reports, you can have the reports also. Say, if let us see, for this whole collection we can have a briefing document, or you can have a study guide, or you can create a blog post. Let us say it is also saying loading suggestions. It will also show you suggestions. Professional you can, let us say, career orientation guide. Let us say we create a career orientation guide out of this our topic. Let us see where we are. So again, it is working. So in the meantime, we can add a note also, but this thing was here, play.
तो फिर जिम्मेदारी मशीन की कैसे हो सकती है? ये तो
AI लाइब्रेरियंस को रिप्लेस नहीं कर रहा है, ये उस पेशे का विकास कर रहा है।
वो क्या?
जब कैटलॉगिंग और इंडेक्सिंग जैसे
So this is, I think, all. So we had created two notebooks. One was what a collection what we were having. Another was the Sendai framework, and you can have that. You can ask question also. What is Sendai framework?
So, sir, one question. I'm just wondering whether it will allow any API-based access, like
It will
from our
do,
software.
but it can do, but all the APIs it will be costing, It will cost. But then if you are into deep into it, then there is even open source alternatives are available for such very similar to what it can do. Okay.
Okay.
There you can try like Open Notebook, I think, is one. Those are open source and it is available there. So from there you can have the backend API integration. Here also you can do it. But if you are going that deep, it is better to have your local LLM. Okay,
Right,
the
sir.
RAG, or you can create a local RAG if you are so into it. But for normal, researchers, they can have their collection like we have now, and in just front of you, we have created a beautiful resource for our AI4LIB, uh, things, and we can do other things like this one. So 6 months of all the messages, it covers what all is happening recently. You ask questions, you create things, you create reports. I think report should have been, the career report should have been there by this time. The intelligent archive, the evolution, the AI research lab in AI stack. I think this is the one, a report. Navigator knowledge, or an orientation guide. So this is one thing we are having. So this is a complete guide, the feature toolkit, the AI literacy, definition, prompt engineering, citation integrity, algorithm. Now all these are created out of these posts. Okay, that should be uh, that is very much important. It is not coming from any uh, unverified source, but all the sources, verified sources. Of course, these sources itself could be unverified, but once you have the research articles and those are all peer reviewed, if you have that collection, so whatever query or guides or whatever video, audio, PPTs you are creating, all this you can have it, and then there is no question of hallucinations, uh, bad citations, and then you can always see if something is there. Say interactive reading platform, you can see from where it is coming, the source it is, you can use simply the source. Okay, and all these are reports and all those things you can create. So this is very good tool. I hope this should be, I leave it over here, then now we can have any discussions or further questions. I think we can.
Wonderful insight, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. So, any queries and all those things. I use this tool at times. So you can use it with another
A
tool.
few weeks back, you told about research papers. Related all papers will come to one place, no, sir.
See, what you can do is that you search for, say, research rabbit sort of thing, no? That is for literature discovery, okay? Here that type of sophistication is not there. You have to simply search the web and some sources will come up, then you can import. But if you have done the previous work, like you have searched the databases, like consensus, illicit tools, and you have picked up some databases and created your own, reference like Jitera and all those things, you export from there, especially with the full text, and upload in the collection like we have done.